Hey y'all, I don't always follow my own advice. I grew something that's not really aesthetically pleasing. Sweet potatoes. I like to take the grow bags of leftover potting mix from the year before that didn't get cleaned out in in the winter and just plop the sweet potato slips in those. I had grand plans of maybe trellising them or doing something, and then I didn't. And then they got lots of growth. They started consuming the lawn. Not my proudest moment, but hey, I'm pretty sure I've got sweet potatoes in there, so I'm gonna clear out some of this greenery, these sweet potato greens, and we'll get to harvesting. All right, I got the greenery cleared, and I put the grow bags up here on the table, so it's a little easier to work. And let's see what we got. I mean, obviously we have some that are just jumping right out at you. That one doesn't look like it really grew much. When I pulled the greens up, this one was actually in the ground, outside of the grow bags.
Tiny little one there, but still something. What are you?
Oh yeah, you're a decent one.
Oh. Yeah. Got a few eaters there. Nope, you didn't really grow. Let's see, anything else in here? Not really feeling anything else in this one. Let's switch over to this one.
Yep, there's a decent one. It's interesting how some of them just don't produce tubers. And then some some do. That's an interesting shaped one. Looks like this one's already got slips growing off of it. All right, there we go. There's the harvest. Not sure about this one. It's not very big. And it's got what appears to be slips growing out of it already. So I'm not sure about that one. But a few good ones. This funny looking one. Looks like it's split maybe. Maybe some critter got to it, some bug or something, and it altered the growth pattern. We'll see. Just got to let those cure for a few weeks, and then they'll be ready to eat. So I found a couple more in another garden. Those three there, they're generally kind of small. I think I just stuck some slips in there to see if sweet potatoes would break up the compacted soil. But overall, I mean, got this tiny one, this one that's got the slips already coming out of it, small one, several regular sized ones, the mutant, one smallish regular size and two smalls. That's overall, I'd say, a pretty good harvest for a crop that takes literally no effort. Stick slips in nutrient deficient potting mix or compacted clay, and I guess water when I'm near them sometimes, and already watering, but not put any effort into it. So yeah, 2 grow bags and one little spot of compacted soil in the garden. This is what I get. Hope y'all enjoyed this. So I'll ask y'all to do the internet video thing. Hit like, hit subscribe, hit that little bell down there for notifications. Do the internet video thing. Causes servers to whiz to life, satellites link up in outer space, and show you more content like this that you enjoy. Thanks for watching, y'all. Have a good one. Bye.